So, good morning. Hey, my slide is not cooperating on my trailer. For those of you who are campers, you know all about those slides. It's been real good to me, but right now I cannot get it to move in or out. It makes a noise. You can hear the motor going zzz, but nothing else. So I went on to YouTube. That's kind of why I'm doing this video, to show you what I've discovered and the processes I'm doing to discover what to do. I tried to make it come in by doing the manual thing and nothing worked. Nothing happened. All I'm hearing is a motor turning. So I'm assuming a gear has been snapped off. So I'm gonna climb underneath and check it out, and I'll let you see what I have discovered. So it rained pretty good yesterday, Southern California. Don't see a lot of rain, but we are so blessed to have it. So today it's dry, not raining. So I laid a little rug out, got a light going on, and a drill motor and a utility knife to open up the underbelly, which is covered in a plastic sheet, which is good. Keep the rats and mice out. And got to open that up maybe a little bit more to get into the gearbox. So this is kind of what I'm seeing right now. And it's been opened up a little bit, but I may have to open up a little bit more. And this part right here is the gearbox I gotta take apart. And you can see the motor there. And I hear that working, but that's it. So we'll see what happens. So now I've opened it up a little bit more, and I can really get in there good. So you gotta pull this clip off. And this part too, this is so you can hook up a wrench to turn this manually, but that didn't work. So hopefully by taking these 4 bolts off here, there's a couple up there, I'm gonna be able to get in there and see what's going on. So I got the gearbox off, and this is part of it. That little square shaft there that goes into, I forgot what they call that part, but that's what spins your shaft to make those slides go in and out. And that's perfect. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's all metal. But if you look up here, the rest of it, it's plastic, and there's your issue, my issue, is that sucker's just all chewed up. So I noticed one on Amazon, and hopefully it's the right one, and it's all made out of metal. So hopefully the one I'm seeing is going to be the right one to order, and I can get this baby on the road, because we're going camping here in a couple of weeks. Bonelli Bluffs RV Park in San Dimas. And yeah, I know it's January, but for us Californians, it's not that bad to go camping. And I see this little washer here. You got to make sure that sucker's down in there. There we go. So yeah, that's the culprit. So wish me luck. So I'm gonna make darn sure that I'm getting the right part, because there's nothing worse than have to return something because you didn't take the time to measure it. So anyway, the processes are right now is I'm gonna measure this sucker. I've got my measuring device, calipers out, and as you can see right there, that's where it's all messed up. So here we go. So I went ahead and looked on Amazon and I found this gear to replace the gear for that slide out on my 2011 Springdale trailer. It's 26 foot and it's very cool because it has all the measurements out here. The teeth count, if you look it up, there's more information than I'm showing you if you get onto their website, but it cost 26 bucks plus tax. And here's what it looks like compared to the old one. And it's all metal. The teeth count is identical. I counted every single solitary one, the top and the bottom, and I measured everything with calipers, and it seems like it's identical. I know it looks a little different. You have this little top here that isn't on the original one, but I don't think that's gonna matter because if you look at the height, and you measure it with calipers, it's identical. So I'm gonna replace it and hopefully that makes it work. Because you know, if I would have had someone do it for me, come to the house, because I couldn't get that slide in, it probably cost me $300-400. And here it's taken me a little bit of time and probably $28 with tax or so. Well, of course, I got the new gear all greased up, the parts that should go back together, and hopefully this is all gonna work. You know, if I would have had someone come to the house, a mobile guy, or even brought it to a shop if I could get that slide back in, it would probably cost me, shoot, $300, $400, who knows? But I got those things greased up, so now it's all gonna go back together and let's see if it works, hopefully. All right, step one. All right, let's see if it works now. I think I may have had it upside down, was fighting like hell, wondering why the thing was not, the cover was not fitting back on. So I got back onto YouTube and saw that maybe, I mean, it fits this way too, so hopefully this is it. I had to laugh at myself though. It does surprise me though, but that's okay. What the heck? What else am I gonna do on a drizzly, rainy day? So I'll keep you posted. Well, of course the cover fits back on now that you have the gear the way it's supposed to fit. Crazy. I don't know. But hey, I'm trying. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's gonna work. I'm gonna try it right now. Okay, so here goes nothing, as we say. Gonna see if this slide works now. With my $28 fix with that gear. Instead of calling out a professional, A little bit of a hassle, but what the heck. So here we go. Hallelujah, it works. So there you have it. You can do things on your own. So while I got it out, I'm gonna spray it with some lube and call it a day. Hey, thanks for watching the Flying Fletchers YouTube channel. If you like what you see, if I showed you something that's helpful, then like and subscribe. I love to share ideas and thoughts with you out there like you do with me, so we can fix things heck of a lot cheaper if you want to give it a try. So I'm happy I did. Take care. Have a great day and Happy New Year.